be here. Now this is a different combination. Let's find out what they've got to say. I'd like to introduce Green God and Green God.
I just want to say one thing, that if anyone is ever seen harming any green, they'll have nothing left to say, because Green God and Goddess is on their way. Thank you.
Green God and Goddess is on their way. Now they're on their way down the ramp. Give them a big hand as they are coming down the way. Here we go.